guys, welcome back to Carport Autos and an update on TT. Not MOTs yet, but yeah, I'll just take you through a few things that we're trying to get through on this video and see how it pans out. Yeah, if you remember in the last video we got all the servicey bits done. I'll show you what's in these in a minute. Oh, that's just gone on the floor. I'll just open a few bits up ready to show you around. Oh, it's quite tough. So, see if I can do this one-handed. Hey, right. Start with engine bay. First things first, I needed a new dipstick because basically the handle on this one where you pull it out had broke off. That were about £7. Obviously I showed you in the last one it got a hole in this engine cover. Got a new one. I think that was £25. So that's those. Rear of the car. I took these bits off because it were a bit skanky. I'm going to try and clean them up, but unfortunately they broke. So I've told some new ones of them. You get to the rear number plate lights, and these have been bonded on in the past. They look a bit manky, and obviously they all broke on the when you take them out. They broke, so that's the reason why they've been bonded in. So you take them out, they're broken, bonded in. So, and I've got this out ready to come out, ready to try and clean that up, and obviously clean out the inside of this. I'll just take you to the inside of the car. Now, if you remember, I had the cover off this missing. Yeah. Now, I'm looking on eBay. You can buy them on their own because it must be a common problem. Not sure 100% how common they are, but yeah. But they wanted £25 for it, which I think is an absolute rip-off. Or I could have bought an entire replacement unit for £25, and all I've done is literally bought that for £25, took that off and popped it on. Then these buttons, as you can see, that one works, that one kind of works, that one doesn't work, and I could not get that out for love nor money. Let me just have a look at the lens. Apologies. Yeah, there we go. Bit dirty. So again, for about £20, I bought a replacement one, and all the buttons work perfectly on it. And to take it out, it's quite easy. You literally just pull, and it comes off. And all the wires that you put back in are all colour coded to these, so it's very, very simple to do. In here, in this box, I went with LED replacements. Simple fact, they were cheaper. Now, that could be a mistake. It might not. I don't know. The only other thing we had was a brake light. Well, I can't remember if it was a brake light or a side light that was out. So replace that. That's all done. And from that, once I've just changed these bits over and put the trims back in, which I'll show you in a second, it's ready to go for its MOT. So I'll see if I can get it booked in this week, see how it goes. If not, I'll get it in as soon as I possibly can, and get it MOT'd. But in the meantime, I'm going to have to put the camera down because it's a two-handed job to put this back in and see her on the reverse side. One sec. And just like that, she's back in. All works. So I'm already picking up parts for this car as it is. These are just the anchor points from the boot where I've taken that out. I'm going to pop them in at a later date because I've got to clean all the excess glue and everything off back. So just show you the other bits. Now, these replacement parts, mine, were grey. And unfortunately, trying to find a mint colour is a nightmare. These are black, as you can see. And this is the replacement one. And the reason I got this is because the one I took off, it snapped here. So I've taken the black cloth that was off that, and I'm literally just going to cover it with some acoustic carpet. I'm not going to bother doing anything fancy with it. It's acoustic carpet cover on that, and I'm actually going to acoustic carpet cover this just to make it match. I've got it in the newest colour I possibly can. These are the bits off it. I'll put these with these actually here. So I've got the interior light, and then that's basically saying, wash your head! Wash your head when you close this. If you sat in back. But if you sat in back of one of them, you must be a kid, or you're contortionists. So yeah, I'll cover these, and then I'll see how that goes. Excuse the mess. I am literally trying to sort out my garage, along with everything else. In fact, I can show you this one here. Yeah, look, that's where it broke, and that was mine, out of my car. So you can see how crap it is. In fact, I'm going to get rid of this, take it out, and don't need it. This is where my pile of crap comes from. I just need a day where I can take my wife's car to work when she's not working. We've got a skip at work, so I can chuck all the plastic stuff in. I've got a guy, you'll see that in another video. Or you might, not sure what order these are coming out, you've probably already seen that one. That was on a video we did on repair of another car. So yeah, as you can see, the car has now got its new boots on. The only issue I've got with the centre caps, which are in here, I've only got two of these. This is the retaining clip that goes around and holds it in place. Help in comments if you can what the bloody hell they're called. I'm trying to stick it in search in eBay, but I'm trying multiple things to figure it out. I think I've got some centre caps from another car up there that might be the same size, but so I'll try them first while I'm looking. So yeah, I've found a bumper, I think in colour as well. I've just got to figure out where it is. I think it's in Leicester. That's quite cheap. Again, if it's damaged, I'm not bothered because I'd have to repaint that one, but that's got a cracking bottom there anyway. And lack of peel, so that one I'd have to be repaired and painted anyway. So if I get a replacement one, it's take that off, repair paint it. I can take that one off, repair paint it and sell it. So yeah, all's going well. So I'll weigh up, and then have I just seen something? Oh yeah, I'm going to have to change my wiper blades because that's had it. So it's like I'm ordering some wiper blades right now before it goes to MOT. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. Right, it's a quick one. Lights are it. Do you want to switch them on, Dave? So they work now, and they're held in place. They're not stuck down. Just got this sticky stuff here to get off. Probably use a bit of tar and glue on that. And this is the, just used a bit of acoustic carpet on this bit, because as I said, the ones I got replaced black, and obviously it's a grey interior, so I've just got a close match bit of acoustic carpet and flagged it on. So yeah, going alright. Got wipers because that side is split, so I might as well replace them both. But what's more concerning is the fact that I've got a brand new tyre on and that's lost air, so I'm going to have to take that wheel off and take it to be checked, because it's either seal on the tyre, the bead of the seal, or the seal of the bead ain't working, or there's a crack in alloy somewhere. So we're going to take that off and get it checked. Right, a few days later, it's past its MOT. It's now road legal. You probably, I'll have probably taxed it and be driving it by the time you see this video, but yeah. It had a couple of advisories. One was there was slight play on drop links, so I've ordered them. And then on the way back, rear wheel speed sensor on the rear near side came up when we plugged it in, so ordered one of them. All that's left to do now is drive it, so that we'll be getting prepped, ready for sale, and I should start driving this. So yeah, I think we'll end that video here on a high. Like, subscribe and share, and if you've got a comment, drop something in the comment. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. It is free, and yeah, see you in the next one.